This video shows how to attach the scanner head to the holder for middle installation. Note, the holder is mounted so that the LED inside the double machine points downwards. In our example, we are using a middle installations holder for counterclockwise machines. Additional tools required: side cutters, 4mm Allen key, and a 2.5mm Allen key. First, remove the screws and the spring brackets provided. Afterwards, remove the screw and the two washers. Insert the screw through the bearing on the scanner head and place the two washers over it from below. Then screw this holder into the guide of the holder for the middle installation. Important: the holder must always be able to move freely. This must be checked. Next, attach the spring brackets. First, insert it at the holder and screw it tight. Then attach the bracket to the guidance of the scanner head. To do this, loosen the screw slightly and then screw it tight together with the bracket. Repeat the same on the other side. First, insert it at the holder and screw it tight. Then attach the bracket to the guidance of the scanner head. To do this, loosen the screw slightly and then screw it tight together with the bracket. The scanner is now correctly attached to the holder for middle installation. As seen here, the scanner head is always pressed forward with the help of the spring brackets. Also, the position of the scanner in relation to the ring is correct. The ring should be positioned slightly behind the scanner head so that only the scanner head touches the fabric. If the ring does not fit, it can be adjusted by loosening these two screws. Watch our separate video for a more detailed explanation of the adjustment. The screws supplied are shorter than the screws used here. If the center column of the machine has a smaller diameter, the screws must be replaced if necessary.